Mocha is the latest AI app builder. You describe what you want and it creates a full web app for you. Front end, back end, database, login, hosting, it does it all using artificial intelligence. And best thing of all, you don't need to know how to code in order to use it. So I've used a lot of tools and I've tested a lot of tools, and a lot of them are slow, rigid, and they break as soon as you start trying to build anything bigger than a proof of concept. But Mocha is one of the first ones I've found that actually allows you to build what you want with all of the logic baked in. So in today's video, we are going to build a Tinder-style matchmaking application, but for movies, a movie matchmaker from scratch. So how does it work? Two users join a room, they swipe on movies. When they swipe on the same movie, it matches them and showcases, hey, you guys have matched on this movie. You both like it. You should both watch it. I'm super excited for this. I hope you are. If you are, click the like button and let's get into it. Okay, so this is a quick overview of what we'll build all in one prompt. We're going to do a homepage. We're going to do a login. We're going to do the room creation where you can generate a 4-digit code that you could then share as a link or as a code to your friend. We're going to have our swipe cards, which will have our movie details. And then we have the match logic, right? So if I'm swiping and you're swiping and we swipe on the same card or the same movie, we will match. And then finally, live deployment. So you can share this with friends, family. If you built it for a client, if you've made this for, your manager at work, I don't know what it is, what you want to build this for, but you can share it, which will be awesome. Let's get into it. Alrighty, first thing, come to getmocha.com. If you need the link, it will be in the description below. Once you come to this link, you will need to sign up. It's completely free and takes about 2 seconds. Then you'll land on this page over here. We're going to click on Get New App. And then what we're going to do is we're going to input the following prompt. We're going to input, build a Tinder-style movie matchmaking web app, use the login, let them create a room with a 4-digit code and share it with a friend. Both users join the room, show movie cards one by one with a left/right swipe, save swipes in a database. If both users like the same movie, trigger a match and show a match screen, add a simple dashboard for past matches, use a clean UI and deploy it. We're going to keep it on public. We don't have to attach anything. Let's go and send that straight through. All right, so you can see already Mocha starting to get on it. It's working on it. Your app is being created. We've got our initial prompt here and it is initializing. We already have our name, Flick Match, which sounds pretty cool. A movie matchmaking app where your friends can swipe through movies and match on them. Gives us a plan, user authentication, room creation, synchronized movie swiping, match detection. All of it's been understood and is being implemented by AI at the moment. My hands are up. All right, so this is the first result of our initial prompt, and we have a homepage, Flick Match, sign in with Google. So let's click on that. Let's see if we can actually sign in with Google. It would be awesome if we can. Try now. All right, awesome. Create a new room or add a 4-digit code to actually join another room. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this publish button, which will publish it to a unique link that is hosted by Mocha. And we can then go ahead and test this. So let's click publish. All right, cool. So we've got our status as published. We've got our unique link. Let's open up that link, right? So we've got our unique link over there. And what I'm going to do is I've actually created a incognito window on the side over here. We're going to actually copy the link over here and we're going to paste that link in our incognito window as if we had two separate browsers working, looking at or using this application. We're going to sign in with Google on our initial browser. I'm going to go to my initial account over here, complete login, and we're going to create a new room. All right, so that actually looks like it's working. We have one person in the room, inception, obviously using mock data. We'll fix that in a second, and our unique code. So let's go ahead and sign in with Google on this side. I've got another account that we can try and use, which is in the original. So it's going to be different. And you have to use incognito for this testing. All right, so we've got our two different users. We've got our unique code, 8444. Let's go ahead and try and see if we can join this room. This would be insane if we can do this. Awesome, we can. So there's two in the room. It looks like this hasn't picked up that there is two in the room. So let's just try and refresh. Maybe it'll pick up that there's two in the room. All right, cool, it does. So you'd have to just refresh. We can work on that little bug to just state it's not doing a automatic refresh. You have to refresh manually. But let's go ahead and see if the like actually works, the match. So let's click our like on inception and let's hope when we click like on inception here. Cool, so we get it's a match on this side. So the logic is working, but we don't get it on this side. So let's see if we actually reload. Okay, so even if we reload, we're not picking up that there's a match, right? Though, if we go to like, inception does pop up here. So the matching logic works. It just needs to work on the host user. person who hosts the room is not getting that update. So we will fix that, but it is actually working. So let's keep swiping. Let's try and see if we dislike on the one and like on the other. So let's dislike on Shawshank Redemption. All right. And then let's like on Shawshank Redemption for the other user. Cool. No match. That's exactly what we wanted. So that's working. Next, we're going to add in an API with real movies. So you can actually utilize this, and it can be in the real world with the most updated movies, as well as fix that little matching issue we have. All right, so we're back in Mocha, and you can see the prompt I'm going to add here is this works, but just a small bug is that the host user does not get the match notification like the player 2 user does when there's a match. We're just going to send that through, and so it can identify that issue and hopefully rectify it. And then we're going to go ahead and actually plug in our API to most likely TMDB, which is a free API that you can use. All we're doing right now is completely free, which is awesome that you can actually build this and then share it with friends. In the interim, we're going to come to TMDB, the movie db.org. You can go right over there. You're going to come to more. You're going to go to API documentation. After clicking on that, you want to come down to API link, click on that. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to get an API key. Don't share this API key, even though it's free. Try not to share API keys, just a small little security thing there. When people have access to it, they can utilize it. It's like a unique application programming interface. API key is a unique passcode to external data. So you don't want to share your access code because that's specific to you. Anyway, so we've got our API key over here. We're just going to have that handy. But let's come back to Mocha and see how we're doing over here. So I've added real-time match notifications so both users see the match pop up when either one completes the match. I've added polling. So we've got that over there. We will check it shortly, but I want to go ahead and first implement our API. I want to say, okay, I will have a look. I want to implement the TMDB API for real movies or for real movie data. Please assist. All right, that's all we're going to say. We're going to send that across. Let's see what it needs us to do. Maybe it's going to set up that we can just input our API key, or it might ask us to change a specific file in the code. Probably won't do that. Let's see. So you can see over here, it's actually giving us a perfect little modal where we can input our API key. So what you're going to do is you're going to come through to, it's actually telling you exactly what to do, right? So we've jumped ahead of that curve, and we've just come to get our API key. We're going to come back to Mocha. We're going to paste that secret key in, and then you're going to submit that. Super simple, super easy, and we'll go ahead and implement that API key. And if you're unsure, just ask, right? You can click on this discuss button and you can ask anything you want without it making any edits. And you can say, hey, I'm confused. I don't know how to do this. It will give you input. All right, that is completely done. We still have 52 credits remaining on the free plan. You get a ton of credits that you can use, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and test this now. All right, so we're just updating the publishing of our application to make sure the latest changes are live in our link, or via our link. Okay, cool. So that's done. Let's open up our link by clicking this little button. Once we've got that sorted, that will load it up. We already logged in with the one account. So let's open up an incognito tab. Right, so incognito is over here. Let us just scroll that over there. Let's bring it across. All right, cool. So let's copy our link. So this is what you would send a friend or family or whoever you want. You logged in over here. Let's create a new room. Remember, we're testing out two things, our update to our matching logic as well as the API. You can already see Zootopia 2, which just came out 2025. This is already working. It's using the latest API data. It's awesome. All right, cool. Then we're going to go over here. We've got our code 8796. We're logged in with our other account. Let's go ahead and paste that in. Join room. Cool. We've got Zootopia 2 as well. So let's see if this match works. Let's click on a match. Right. All right. And then let's see. Moment of truth. Boom. Look at that. It's a match on both. This is working 100%. All thanks to Mocha. And there you have it. You have a working movie matchmaking application built in minutes that you can send to a friend or family, all thanks to Mocha. You do not need to know how to code anymore. You don't need to have a complex stack of coding knowledge or code in order to build something that is workable that you can send around. With Mocha, you can describe what your product is. You can build it, all the parts. We've done a database, APIs, login, front end, even though we can probably improve the front end a little bit, and you can put some work into that, make it look how you want. We've done the hosting. We've done all the matching logic within like 30 minutes. So if you want to try this yourself, reach out for the invite code. You can access it by just going to the description. The link is there. It's an invite code to you guys that you can check out, play around with Mocha, maybe build this application, build something else. And one last thing from me is if you found this beneficial, please do consider liking and subscribing. We're getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. If there's a video you want me to do for you or build, or an application you want to build, I'll try and do it in the most practical way possible. If there is something, let me know in the comments. I respond to every single one. And aside from that, I'm going to go see Zootopia 2. So I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.